Are you ready to unlock the secrets of retiring early and living life on your own terms? Imagine a future where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, and enjoy financial independence at a young age. Welcome to the world of extreme frugal minimalism, a powerful approach that empowers you to retire by age 35. Here at the Wallet Kit, we are going to explore the principles, strategies, and mindset shifts necessary to embark on this extraordinary journey. Get ready to challenge societal norms, redefine your relationship with money, and discover the path to early retirement. It's time to take control of your financial future and embrace the possibilities that await. Let's dive in. Step 1. Embrace frugality, mindset shift. To embrace frugality, it's essential to undergo a mindset shift. Start by re-evaluating your spending habits and questioning the necessity of every purchase. Challenge the consumer-driven mindset that often encourages the accumulation of material possessions. Instead, focus on distinguishing between needs and wants. Train yourself to find contentment in living with less and prioritize long-term financial goals over short-term gratification. Budgeting. A crucial aspect of frugality is creating and following a budget. Develop a detailed budget that reflects your income and expenses. Track your spending meticulously and identify areas where you can cut back. By having a clear understanding of your financial inflows and outflows, you can make informed decisions and allocate your resources effectively. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to help you track your expenses and monitor your progress. Thrifty living. Frugality involves adopting a thrifty lifestyle. Look for ways to save money in various aspects of your life. Seek out bargains, compare prices, and practice mindful shopping. Utilize coupons, take advantage of sales, and explore discount stores. Consider buying used items instead of new ones, as they can often be just as functional and significantly cheaper. Embrace do-it-yourself projects, repairs, and creative solutions to save money on everyday expenses. Prioritize saving. To retire by age 35, it's crucial to prioritize saving. Aim to save a significant portion of your income, ideally 50% or more. Establish a savings goal and make it a priority to reach it. Create an automatic savings plan where a percentage of your income is automatically transferred to a separate savings account or investment vehicle. Treat saving as a non-negotiable expense and resist the temptation to dip into your savings for non-essential purchases. Frugal mindfulness. Developing frugal mindfulness is key to long-term success. Before making any purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals and if there are more cost-effective alternatives available. Practice delayed gratification by resisting impulse purchases. Consider implementing a waiting period, such as a 24-hour rule, where you give yourself time to reflect on whether you truly need or want the item. This helps prevent impulsive buying and ensures that your purchases are intentional and aligned with your values. Frugal habits. Incorporate frugal habits into your daily life. Pack your own lunch instead of eating out, brew your own coffee instead of buying it, and prioritize free or low-cost entertainment options such as outdoor activities or visiting libraries. Embrace minimalism by decluttering your living space, avoiding unnecessary purchases, and utilizing what you already have. Focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth rather than material possessions. By embracing frugality and adopting these strategies, you can cultivate a mindset and lifestyle that aligns with your goal of retiring by age 35. Remember, frugality is not about deprivation, but rather about making intentional choices that lead to financial independence and freedom. Stay committed to your financial goals, adapt your habits as needed, and celebrate the progress you make along the way. Step 2. Embrace minimalism. Decluttering. One of the fundamental aspects of embracing minimalism is decluttering your physical space. Begin by assessing your belongings and determining what truly adds value or brings you joy. Let go of items that no longer serve a purpose or have emotional significance. This process can be liberating and transformative as you create a living environment that is clean, organized, and free from unnecessary clutter. Conscious consumption. Minimalism encourages conscious consumption, where you carefully consider each purchase before making it. Ask yourself if the item aligns with your values, if it is necessary, and if it will truly enhance your life. Focus on quality over quantity and prioritize items that are durable, multifunctional, and have a lasting impact. By practicing conscious consumption, you not only reduce clutter, but also make more intentional and meaningful purchases. Simplify your life. Minimalism extends beyond physical possessions. It encompasses simplifying your life as a whole. Evaluate your commitments and activities and identify those that no longer align with your priorities or bring you fulfillment. Streamline your routines, declutter your schedule, and learn to say no to non-essential obligations. By simplifying your life, you create more time, space, and energy to focus on what truly matters to you. Emotional minimalism. In addition to physical and external aspects, minimalism also addresses emotional clutter. Let go of negative emotions, grudges, and attachments that weigh you down. Practice forgiveness, cultivate gratitude, and surround yourself with positive influences. Emotional minimalism promotes a sense of inner peace and freedom, allowing you to prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. Mindful consumerism. Minimalism encourages mindful consumerism by supporting sustainable and ethical choices. Consider the environmental impact and ethical practices associated with the products you purchase. Select eco-friendly alternatives, support local businesses, and choose products that are produced with fair labor practices. By being mindful of your consumer choices, you contribute to a more sustainable and socially responsible world. Minimalist mindset in relationships. Apply the principles of minimalism to your relationships as well. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you, and let go of toxic or draining relationships. Cultivate meaningful connections and prioritize quality interactions over quantity. Focus on building strong, genuine relationships that add value and enrich your life. By embracing minimalism and incorporating these practices into your life, you can experience a greater sense of clarity, focus, and contentment. Minimalism allows you to create space for what truly matters, reducing distractions and bringing a renewed sense of purpose. Remember that minimalism is a personal journey, and it looks different for everyone. Customize your approach to align with your values and goals, and enjoy the freedom and fulfillment that comes with living a minimalist lifestyle. Step 3. Maximize savings and investments. Aggressive saving. To retire by age 35, maximizing your savings is crucial. Aim to save a significant portion of your income, ideally 50% or more. Challenge yourself to cut expenses further and find creative ways to save. Consider adopting strategies such as the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes toward needs, 30% toward wants, and 20% toward savings and investments. The more you save, the faster you can reach your financial independence goal. Side hustles. Generating additional income through side hustles or freelance work can significantly accelerate your savings. Identify your skills, passions, and interests, and explore opportunities to monetize them. Start a small business, offer freelance services, or take on part-time gigs. Direct the extra income earned from your side hustles directly into your savings or investment accounts to expedite your path to early retirement. Investment strategy. Developing a sound investment strategy is crucial to maximize your savings and build wealth over time. Educate yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or low-cost index funds. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to help you create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy to stay on track and optimize your returns. Frugal investing. Embrace frugal investing by focusing on low-cost investment options. High fees can erode your returns over time, so prioritize low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that offer broad market exposure. Take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as IRAs and 401ks, to maximize your tax benefits and save for retirement efficiently. Automatic contributions. Set up automatic contributions to your savings and investment accounts. Automating your savings ensures that a portion of your income is consistently allocated without requiring constant manual intervention. It also helps you avoid the temptation to spend that money impulsively. By making saving and investing a habit, you are more likely to stay on track and accumulate wealth consistently. Reinvest and compound. Reinvesting your investment returns and taking advantage of compounding is a powerful strategy to accelerate your wealth accumulation. Reinvest dividends and interest earned back into your investments rather than taking them as cash. Over time, compounding will amplify your returns as your investments generate earnings on top of previous earnings. This compounding effect can significantly contribute to the growth of your investment portfolio. Regular monitoring and adjustments. Regularly monitor the performance of your investments and review your financial progress. Stay informed about market trends and economic developments. Periodically reassess your investment allocations and adjust your portfolio to maintain diversification and align with your goals. Keep a long-term perspective and avoid making impulsive investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By implementing these strategies, you can maximize your savings and investments, accelerating your journey towards early retirement. Remember, consistency, discipline, and ongoing education are key. Regularly reassess and adjust your financial plan as needed while staying focused on your long-term goals. With dedication and smart financial choices, you can achieve the financial independence you desire and retire by age 35. Step 4. Reduce housing costs. House hacking. Consider house hacking as a strategy to reduce housing costs and increase your savings rate. House hacking involves renting out a portion of your home to generate rental income. This can be done by converting a spare bedroom into a rental unit or purchasing a multi-unit property and living in one unit while renting out the others. The rental income can help offset or even eliminate your housing expenses, allowing you to save more towards your early retirement goal. Downsizing. Another effective way to reduce housing costs is through downsizing. Assess your current living situation and evaluate if you can comfortably live in a smaller, more affordable home. Downsizing can result in significant savings on mortgage or rent payments, as well as lower maintenance and utility costs. It may require adjusting to a smaller space, but the financial benefits can accelerate your path to early retirement. Geographic arbitrage. Leverage geographic arbitrage to your advantage by relocating to an area with lower living costs. Research cities or regions where your income can stretch further, allowing you to save more and reach your early retirement goal sooner. Look for areas with a lower cost of living, affordable housing options, and favorable tax rates. This strategy may involve considering job opportunities, quality of life, and personal preferences when choosing a new location. Renting versus owning. Consider the pros and cons of renting versus owning a home. While homeownership has its benefits, such as building equity, it can also come with higher expenses and financial responsibilities. Renting can provide more flexibility and potentially lower monthly costs. Evaluate the costs associated with homeownership, such as mortgage payments, property taxes, maintenance, and insurance, and compare them to the costs of renting. Select the option that aligns with your financial goals and circumstances. Alternative housing options. Explore alternative housing options to further reduce housing costs. Tiny houses, co-living spaces, or even RV living can offer affordable and minimalist alternatives. These options can significantly lower housing expenses and provide a simpler, more sustainable lifestyle. While alternative housing may require adjusting to a smaller space or unconventional living arrangements, they can offer substantial financial savings, bringing you closer to your early retirement target. House sitting or renting out your home. If you have a primary residence, consider house sitting or renting it out temporarily when you are away. House sitting allows you to stay in someone else's home for free while taking care of their property, which can save you on accommodation costs. Renting out your home when you're not using it can generate additional income that can be directed towards your savings or investments. By reducing housing costs, you will be able to free up more of your income to invest and save, accelerating your progress towards early retirement. Evaluate your housing situation, explore different options, and choose the approach that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle preferences. Remember, the goal is to strike a balance between reducing housing expenses and maintaining a comfortable living situation that supports your overall well-being. Step 5. Continual learning and adaptation. Financial education. Continual learning is vital on your journey towards early retirement. Invest in your financial education by reading books, attending seminars, listening to podcasts, and following reputable financial experts. Expand your knowledge on topics such as personal finance, investing, and retirement planning. Equip yourself with the tools and understanding necessary to make informed financial decisions that align with your goals. Evaluate and adjust. Regularly evaluate your progress and reassess your goals. As circumstances change, it's important to adapt your plans accordingly. Review your budget, savings rate, investment strategy, and overall financial plan. Identify areas for improvement, such as increasing your savings rate or adjusting your investment allocations. Stay flexible and open to making adjustments to optimize your path to early retirement. Networking and mentorship. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share similar goals or have already achieved early retirement. Join online communities or attend local meetups focused on financial independence and early retirement. Networking with others who are on the same journey can provide valuable support, inspiration, and insights. Seek out mentors who have successfully retired early and learn from their experiences and strategies. Stay informed. Stay informed about changes in the financial landscape, tax laws, and investment trends. Keep up with market news and economic developments. Regularly review your investment portfolio and rebalance if necessary to maintain diversification and align with your risk tolerance. By staying informed, you can make educated decisions and adapt your financial strategies as needed. Life planning. Early retirement is not just about financial independence, it's also about planning for a fulfilling and purposeful life. Explore your passions, interests, and aspirations beyond your career. Determine how you want to spend your time and design a post-retirement life that aligns with your values and brings you joy. Consider volunteer work, starting a passion project, or pursuing hobbies that bring fulfillment and contribute positively to your well-being. Flexibility and resilience. Maintain flexibility and resilience as you work towards early retirement. Life is full of unexpected events and challenges. Be prepared to adapt your plans and strategies when necessary. Build an emergency fund to handle unforeseen circumstances and account for contingencies in your financial planning. Embrace the mindset that setbacks are temporary and learn from them to continue moving forward on your journey. By continually learning, adapting, and staying informed, you can refine your financial strategies, maximize opportunities, and navigate the complexities of achieving early retirement. Embrace the growth mindset and the willingness to evolve as you progress towards your goal. Remember, early retirement is not just about reaching a financial milestone. It's about living a fulfilling and purposeful life that brings you joy and freedom. Congratulations on embarking on the path of extreme frugal minimalism to retire by age 35. By embracing frugality, minimalism, and a strong focus on savings and investments, you are setting yourself up for financial independence and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Remember, this journey requires discipline, sacrifice, and continual evaluation, but the rewards of early retirement and financial freedom are well worth the effort. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch as your dreams become a reality.